Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mixed dal fry. First, gather your preferred assortment of lentils, such as tor, moong, masoor, and chana dal, ensuring a balanced flavor profile. Rinse these mixed dals thoroughly under cool running water, repeating the process about 3 to 4 times until the water runs clear. Then, soak the cleaned dals in approximately 3 cups of fresh water for at least 30 minutes or even up to an hour to ensure they soften properly and cook evenly. Once your dals have soaked sufficiently, drain them completely and transfer them into a pressure cooker. Add about 4 cups of fresh water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and flavor, and salt to taste. Secure the lid and cook the dals for 3 to 4 whistles on medium heat. This typically takes around 10 to 12 minutes. The goal is for the dals to be perfectly tender, yet still retain a slight texture, not mushy. Now let's prepare the aromatic tempering, or tadka, which is crucial for flavor. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or cooking oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chilies, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 finely chopped tomato and cook until it softens and releases its juices. Once your tempering is ready, gently pour the cooked and softened dal directly into the pan with the aromatic mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring all the flavors combine beautifully. Let the dal simmer on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the spices to infuse completely. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh, chopped coriander leaves and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright finish. Serve your delicious mixed dal fry hot with steamed rice, warm roti, or fluffy naan.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.